What's up, guys? I am here to talk to you all about camp because camp is coming up sooner than you think, and this year's theme is how we do. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you how I do when I pack for camp. Now ladies, chances are you and 16 other girls are gonna be called to marry the worship leader. How to set yourself apart from the other thousands is a simple answer. 4 inches of height. I'm talking heels, okay? You're gonna need heels. If you bring 1 pair of shoes, it's not gonna cut it, all right? You're gonna need at least 3 pairs of shoes for the day. You need morning breakfast shoes, you need rec shoes, and then you need a night heels. And you cannot be known as the outfit repeater, so I need 3 different shoes from you every single day. And if you're not called to marry the worship leader, you still gotta look good. So you either need 6 outfits per day or 4 outfits per day, all right? You gotta have options. And for each one of those outfits, you're gonna need 2 pairs of shoes, all right? So I'm talking at least 12 pairs of shoes a day or at least 8 pairs of shoes a day. You know what okay, you understand, you following, you tracking? And some of you may say, "Oh, that's a bit excessive, don't you think?" No, I don't think it is. So, you're also gonna need like at least 18 pillows. You gotta keep that neck elevated. You don't wanna be snoring with all your roommates. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have 2 pairs of comforters because you might wanna change it out. You might wanna look cute, might wanna match with your pajamas. And guys, you may think that I'm just talking to the ladies here. I am not. This is also for you. Y'all need to be bringing them Chelsea boots. You need to be bringing the nice little dress shoes. Everything that is sponsored by Hillsong United in the fashion trends, I need to see you in it. The longer the tee, the better. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you stay up to date with this channel for the next couple of videos that are going to tell you how to get ready for camp.